All right. So what you got, bud?
I got Super Slam basketball.
All right. It's an electronic one, and it keeps the scores. And it's like a little hand game, right?
Yeah.
So what are you gonna do? So we took it out. We got the nets here, right?
Yeah.
And then here's the board for the flooring. And then the main deal right there, and the backboard. So we're gonna put it together. Oh, you gotta hang on to those.
Can I start?
Yeah. So you gotta clip them in there.
Yeah.
Turn it this way.
Right here.
So you can see.
Right there and
You got it?
yeah, I just
There it goes. So what's the next step?
the next.
The next says to put, no, it says the,
Oh, this?
yeah, the flooring. There you go.
You put that on.
So I think you go under and then come back.
Like that? But then like
Well, because I think,
mess this all up.
no. Let's see here. You take the camera. Let me see if I can do it. Okay, so let's see.
So my dad's trying to build it.
There it goes. Just, it's like little grooves that it snaps into. Okay. Alright. Alright. Let's see. There it goes. Little grooves that hold it. Alright. I'll take that. So what's next?
The next
Looks pretty good. Yep. So here's a little package, and it comes with what, 2 balls?
no four.
4 balls, 2 for each. Can you get it?
There you go.
Oh, we gotta snap this part in.
Why is there 4 nets?
Uh-oh. Let's see. Well, there's 3 nets, huh? Oh, because one goes in the middle. That way you can't cheat.
Huh. I started opening this.
There it goes. And then put this right in here. There, and look at that, dude. It's coming together. Oh, look. There, you gotta put the little hook in there.
Okay. Oh, yeah. Ow.
There it goes.
Come on,
Look at it. All right, muscle man. You got it?
Yeah. The hoops? Where is the hoop like hanging up?
So, let's see. So they just slide on from top
There you
and
go.
push it. There you go.
All done. Now can you play it? Or like...
Yeah, do the first shot. Oh, we'll see.
Turn it on? How do you turn that on? The
Turn-
batteries, oh, it need batteries.
Does it need batteries? No. So, let's turn it on. Woo!
Did I start? Did I start?
Let's see. I think it's like different
Wow,
games.
ew.
All right,
Oh, what's this one?
get the first basket. Oh. You cheater! You try to shoot in my basket.
Mine went way over there.
There you go.
My other ball went way over there.
There you go.
Oh, where did you get that from?
It was over there on the bed.
Oh, I can't get it.
Well, it looks like we're gonna have to mod it a little bit. The clips don't really hold the flooring down because it's bent from being in the box.
That's weird.
But some tape would be good. All right. So now that you put it together and played it, what do you think?
It's cool. I think I like it. I think it's pretty hard at first when you get used to it, but when you like get and play and stuff, it gets pretty easy and stuff.
All right. Well, you want to say anything to the viewers?
Yeah, comment if y'all want, and I hope y'all like this, and goodbye.